welcome to Gwen Growing Science Experiment. So today we're gonna be showing you a bunch. Like today, these plants are starting to sprout. And
Leave it there. There's that one. Not much in there. There's that one. Tell me about this one.
This one has the biggest sprout.
All right, let's tell them each one. This one's the Scott's crabgrass fertilizer. This one's Viagra all-purpose plant food. This one's a Biotome starter plant food. And this one is Miracle Grow Bloom plant food.
Okay, so that's today we're gonna be doing it extra long. So like here's all the plants that's in our yard right now, and the one that's the best so far is this one. It's really pretty. I've been checking on it every day, and over here there's some plants starting to sprout, and like these have already.
Are those tulips?
Yeah, they've already sprouted a bunch. So over here is our big tree, and it's kind of old. It's like, so over here there's some plants that I actually don't know. Those are all of it. And this over here, this is the last thing I'm showing you. This is all, like, these are my plants that are closest to my house, like, and they're the ones that are supposed to stay. So bye.